anterior mitral leaflet prolapse. So you find the portion of anterior mitral leaflet is bulging into left atrium, that is superior displacement more than 2 mm from the plane of mitral annulus. So in this case you can easily see this anterior mitral leaflet. Just I want to make it, see this portion has bulged into left atrium. So left atrium is superior one compared to left ventricle. So superior displacement by more than 2 mm is called mitral prolapse. When the valve thickness is more than 5 mm, then it is classical, otherwise it is non-classical. So next image, again the same thing, parasternal long axis view. Anterior mitral leaflet is prolapsing into left atrium. This is color Doppler. You can easily see if anterior mitral leaflet is prolapsing, then the jet direction is posterior one. In case of posterior mitral leaflet prolapse, the jet direction is anterior one. So that is the point to know. So whenever you find eccentric jet, posterior, either posterior or anterior, you try to find out prolapse, some sort of abnormality that is likely to be prolapse. So in this case, this is posteriorly directed jet, at least moderate to severe you can say. So the left atrium chamber is not that much enlarged, simply prominent, but left ventricle is mildly enlarged in this case. This is apical 4 chamber view. You can easily see this is anterior mitral leaflet is prolapsing and blood is eccentrically directed towards this lateral one. So posterior lateral direction of the jet in case of anterior mitral leaflet prolapse. So whenever you find posterior laterally directed jet, the prolapse is likely to be part of anterior mitral leaflet. In case of eccentric jet, even you find moderate MR, it is likely to be severe one, because in case of eccentric jet, the jet area is small compared to its true value. So whenever I find a moderate, this you just see this is so this is mitral resistant jet. This jet is laterally directed, so it is posterior laterally directed, and jet area is almost moderate MR. So this in this case is severe MR. So if you find area wise moderate, then it is severe MR in case of eccentric jet. In the eccentric jet, we are always underestimating by looking at the area. So this is the case of anterior mitral leaflet prolapse. Valve thickness is not more than 5 mm, so it is non-classical variety of mitral leaflet prolapse. That is the point to know. Left ventricle chamber is mildly enlarged, left atrium is simply prominent, and the severity wise it has to be severe one. Whenever you find anatomical finding of any sort of defect, then in that case the physiological finding is almost always severe. So this case of severe MR, though area wise it appears moderate one, because in case of eccentric jet, area wise it is always underestimated. Thank you.